blizzard warning information for the following areas in Maine, Androscoggin, interior Cumberland, and Kennebec. What? Blizzard conditions. Storm total snowfall of 6 to 14 inches. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. Near zero visibility at times. Where? Central interior Cumberland, Androscoggin, and Kennebec counties. When? Until 6 a.m. Sunday. Impacts: travel could be very difficult to impossible. Additional details: heavy snow banding will move over the area, resulting in intense snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour, as well as blowing and drifting snow. Wind chill values in the single digits to teens below zero. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. For a more precise forecast for your specific location, go to www.weather.gov/gray. Here is blizzard warning information for the following areas in Maine: coastal Cumberland, Waldo, coastal York,